You don't even know how to undo a cast off? I'll try not to jinx this by secretly hoping for a tutorial. I could show you, Lurk. You want me to show you? Before we get any further, let me show you. Okay, so here's my cast off edge over here. See all the little V's lined up here on the edge? That's the cast off row. So if I have to undo the cast off, that means I need to put all these little V's back up here on the needle. So to do that, it's a little bit of a it's a little bit of a pita, but it's doable. So what you do is you take your left-handed needle and you go into the V. See where this stitch, both legs are going into that V right there? That V needs to come back up onto the needle. So I grab it and then I gently pull this needle down and I let that stitch back on, and it needs, because it was crossed over, it needs to cross back over. So I need to kind of coax that stitch to get in its proper position. So there, I have the 2 stitches. And then I would take 1 stitch out, and then I would do the exact same thing. I'd go into the next V, grab it, put it back on the needle, get it in its proper position. Hey, feline! So that I have 2 stitches on the needle, and then I would unknit 1. That's how you do it. It's super tedious, but it's doable.